Hi guys and welcome back. This weekend we're gonna be taking it easy. We're planning on going for a few walks and we're gonna be visiting my parents and they're gonna make some delicious lunch for us. So come along with us.
Dalia is ready to check out the new Easter toy I bought her from work. It didn't work, so we'll just do that. Look, Dalia, what is it?
It's a little tablet?
It's a little glowing drawboard with fun activity stencils. It comes with the chameleon, the little bearded dragon there, and then it's got markers. And it comes with that we have to put batteries in here. And let's change the color. There we go. Color.
So it's 1, 2.
There she goes.
Dalia, say cheese. Cheese. Wow, we have so many trees blooming, flowers. I think this is a pear tree here. And then we have magnolias, and over there we have like peach trees and plum on the other side. Here's a beautiful pear tree.
All these flowers. Stop. It says to stop, so you have to stop, right? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Hear the cardinal? Loud and clear. What are you seeing over there? Hmm? Hmm? What a nice evening walk just before sunset after a long work week. Go inside of that. Huh? No, here, look. Go inside of here. Can you go in through there? Go inside? Yay! All the way. Go through it. Yeah, walk through it. Yay! Bravo, Dalia! Yay! Good job. One more time. Yay! Bravo! Bravo! Good job. Good job.
Oh no.
Uh-oh. That's a dirty shoe. Put that down. Somebody left their shoe here.
Leave it, leave it.
Anybody in the area, you see this video, come get your dirty shoe. Alright?
It's a little kid's shoe.
It's a little
but
kid's
it's
shoe.
dirty.
Alright, let's go.
Muddy.
They also have a bunch of big rocks lined up. I think aliens did that. Interesting. Here's a better look at it here. They do have concerts here later in the summer. They'll have bands and people will sit there and bring their children, their families. Good times. And then the lake, you have the lake far ahead. Nice little park. Now this park here, this area here, all used to be very wooded. When everything turned green, you could barely see through it. But I guess kids built like dirt jumps, and they were bringing their mountain bikes and even their e-bikes and jumping these jumps, and a couple of them got hurt. The story is that one of the kids broke his leg and they had to call the ambulance and everything, so the local government decided to deforest it and just phlegm it out.
Hi guys, it's a beautiful Saturday. We're going to visit my parents and Dalia is excited. And she really likes this new car. I think she's able to see out the window because it's a smaller car. Dalia? Go up.
Shabbat being the Shabbat.
On top of that, I extended the warranty, like the one, but the guy gave me a great deal. Yeah. Wow. Oh, wow. Look at that. Yeah. Oh, Dalia likes soccer. Yeah. She likes all kinds of things.
It's for Dalia, special. I make for Dalia.
Chicken paprika.
Oh, yeah.
For Dalia.
Oh, this is
No
her-
bones here.
Oh.
Can you explain what the chicken paprikash is? Because a lot of people don't know. I don't even know what it was. I didn't even know what it was.
Paprika. Hi, Dalia.
He put some onion,
Onion,
peppers, carrots,
carrots,
and he sauteed them.
garlic,
Garlic,
paprika,
paprika spice,
yeah, spice, banana pepper,
banana peppers.
and beans toast and
Saute everything, cook,
on the
and then
chicken,
he adds chicken,
tomato sauce,
chicken and tomato sauce.
boil,
and then it cooks. Yeah, and then he makes the gnocchi at the end. It's very good. Oh, this is to predict weather, right?
Da.
If there's a storm.
Kad se gore pojave malo pahulje, onda vrde si.
Oh, so it shows like kind of like snowflakes at the top. I asked my
Yeah.
mom, is it accurate? She said it seems to be pretty accurate, so it's pretty cool.
That's the one you got, right?
Yeah. You make it at Mariano's?
So the Haas avocado, it's not even native. It's not native to Mexico. There was actually a guy with the last name Haas from California, and that's actually where the Haas avocado comes from now. And that's pretty much all they grow in Michoacan.
Wow.
So they imported it into Mexico. So the Haas avocados are actually not Mexican; they're American, and it's kind of an interesting fact.
They imported to Mexico and now they're growing really well.
Right. And
That's
like
cool.
the best avocado now. There.
Yeah, it is pretty good.
So your other tomato? Didn't you have another?
Here, my dad is starting to grow little tomatoes, and then once they sprout, we're gonna plant them. My mom's cactus,
Oh, she cut it.
she has a lot of them, beautiful ones. This one actually blooms. Look at this. Oh, yeah, I'll show that too. Hold on. Look at this one with the flowers, different flowers. Look at these. And then we've got this umbrella tree. Where are the roses? Here's a little turtle. This rose, look how big it grew. Look at this violets. Beautiful violets. And cyclamen. We call it cyclama. We got guacamole here.
Eat. Come on, eat. Don't you want to eat? She's not. Is she not? Wow.
Wow, that looks fun, Dalia.
These are all row houses. They're very old buildings.
Okay, so we can go now. No cars.
We're in another nice park. Dalia is currently at the playground. Look how peaceful this looks. I'm thinking this tree in the back is probably at least 100 years old. It's massive. And now Maya and Dalia are heading that way.
How much?
Wow, look how old this tree is. How big it is.
It's 100 at least.
Yeah, I agree. Very
Your
big.
tree.
Very big tree. They usually have a little zoo in here. And I thought we saw like goats here last year, but still too cold for them. It's a nice little area for kids to come and check out the little animals. It's a good idea. Yeah, there's nothing in there right now. It's like a mini zoo almost. This is another little garden here for the insects and the birds. But right now the only thing that has bloomed are these flowers. They also have tennis courts back there, which is really cool. Wow, look at this. It's like a tunnel. Oh, dude. These houses in this area are very nice.
You like it? Wow.
Onaj lift ne radi, tereti samo jedan lift radi.
Okay, guys, it's dinner time. We got hungry. We have homemade tamales with some salsa here. Salsa verde.
I do like to put lime on mine, so don't judge.
Omar likes to put lime on his tamales. It depends on what you like. So